Minimalism isn't just about decluttering your home. It's also about changing how you spend your money and energy. When I embraced minimalism, I realized there were so many things I was buying out of habit, not happiness. Today, I'm sharing the key things I stopped buying as a minimalist, and how letting go brought me more peace, freedom, and joy. I stopped buying excess home decor and fast fashion. Instead of filling spaces with meaningless items, I choose pieces that truly bring joy. My closet is smaller now, but I actually feel like I have more to wear. Quality over quantity became my new philosophy. I had multiples of everything: 3 coffee mugs, 5 lotions, countless pens. Now I know that 1 or 2 quality items are enough. I stopped impulse buying by asking myself, do I really need this, or am I just chasing a quick dopamine hit? Trendy gadgets and excess beauty products used to fill my drawers. Now I focus only on tools I use regularly. My bathroom used to look like a beauty store. Now I keep just the essentials that truly work for me. Less overwhelm, more peace. I stopped buying souvenirs and knickknacks. Memories live in my heart, not in clutter. I take photos and write in my journal instead. I canceled subscription services I wasn't using. If I'm not using something regularly, it goes. Simplicity means financial freedom too. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about choosing what adds value and letting go of the rest. By changing these purchasing habits, I've saved money, created more space, and gained so much peace of mind. If you're starting your minimalist journey, ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it or because I'm used to buying it? What's one thing you want to stop buying as you simplify your life?